Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Homepod and placing it near your unlocked iPhone or iPad. This proximity triggers discovery. Once the white pulsing light appears, open the Home app immediately because the app scans for new accessories when it's active. Make sure your iOS device is on the same Wi-Fi network you plan to use and your Apple ID is signed, and this avoids account conflicts. You're initiating a paired session. The system needs network and account context to present setup prompts. Once the Home app detects the HomePod, tap the prompt to start pairing. This action exchanges credentials and a secure key between devices. You'll confirm the room assignment and customize Siri options. Do this now because it affects behavior and voice recognition later. If offered, transfer iCloud settings and Wi-Fi credentials to speed the process. It's secure and saves typing. Make sure you approve any permission dialogues. These allow network access and media sharing, which are essential for normal operation. Finish the sequence by waiting for the HomePod to complete its final configuration. A steady white light usually indicates success, so don't interrupt power. Once ready, test Siri and play audio via AirPlay to confirm network and voice services work. If discovery failed, reset the HomePod and reboot your router and iPhone, then try again. This resolves most network, cache, or pairing token issues. Troubleshooting stepwise helps isolate the cause. Repeat the pairing flow only after each component restarts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.